Hello, welcome again to the next part of the AWS Card Clash. We'll be playing the 13th, oh, it's not Solution Architect, it's Cloud Practitioner path. So yeah, let's do the compliance check task. So we'll be using AWS config to scan on hourly rate our EC2 instances if they are compliant with what we want to have them. If not, we will send a notification. My turn. We will send a notification that something is not correct. So yeah, what we have here. Assess, audit and evaluate configuration of your resources. That will be our AWS config. Run code without thinking about service. That will be service of cluster. That will be our Lambda. What we have here. Manage your resources on AWS and in multi-cloud and hybrid environments. What the hell is this? Manage your resources. Okay, that will be probably a system manager, which I have not seen yet. And what? Secure and resizable compute capacity for virtual, that will be our EC2s. Event trigger, that will be our event bridge over here. Build event-driven application at scale across AWS existing system and SaaS application. Okay. Fully manage, publish, subscribe service for A2A and A2P messaging. Okay, so let's start with adding energy. I have 5. Just use the system manager and secure it from the start and let the opponent do his work. Okay, he doesn't have that much energy, I can see. I'll discard Lambda and play an EC2 just to not run out of energy too fast, because in this setup Lambda costs 3, where in others usually it costs 1. Okay, security group. I can secure my EC2. System manager is secured, nothing to do here. I wonder, no, I will wait for the Gorilla Bash. Some of my cards, I guess. Hopefully it will come. Oh, what a shame. Unfortunately, it was EC2. I can steal his Lambda and save some energy for later. And I can use some energy. How much? I'll get 3 points plus 2. That will be 5. I think that will be a win, right? It's a notification service. Full managed public service. And I have 2 of EC. Yeah, and I have doubled the score of the opponent, so that should give me 3 stars. Let's see if that will be the case. Four and a half minutes. Okay, great. That was quite a quick win. So, what can I say? Let's check the next challenge, and yeah, I will think that's enough for this episode. So, the next challenge: on-premise access to cloud storage. Build a set of hybrid cloud storage services that provide on-premise access to virtually unlimited cloud storage. Hybrid cloud storage services. Okay. So we have to do a backup, CloudTrail. We'll check all the logs for the API access, CloudWatch to watch all the metrics, Direct Connect. Okay, so that's AWS infrastructure to connect directly to the data center. Elastic Block Store, that would be a file system, but I don't see any EC2, or I can I use Block Store in a different way? I might actually use this Block Store to connect my on-premise to Block Stores, something like that. Amazon Event Bridge to send events and messages. Amazon Macy to check the data, if there are any secrets in the repository or in any other data. S3 Glacier for infrequent access of the files, so we will pay less for the storage. AWS Storage Gateway, okay, that will probably allow us from on-premise instance to access our S3 in the cloud. And VPN. Oh, we'll have to configure a key management system, so we have key to encrypt some data in this setup. Yeah, I have no idea how this should look like. Okay, but I will leave it for the next time. Thank you for watching the challenge number 13, and I'll be seeing you here in the next episode, challenge 14 of AWS Card Cache. Thanks for watching, bye.